Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with a project share. So this is like one of several in a series. I guess it's going to be a series because I have a lot to share. I just had a 2-day crafting marathon of making Halloween stuff. And the primary goal is I have 2 swaps that need to be done. And I just wanted to make stuff to either give or to use for my swap. So oh my gosh, this is like the most Halloween I've ever done, I think. So I just wanted to share with you some of the things I made before I start packaging everything up. And then hopefully I can mail it off to the recipient soon. So anyway, let me just kind of show you. I've shown this type of project before, but these are the shaker envelopes that I followed a tutorial by Disco Dolly. So I will link her video again down below. It's a tutorial on how to make it. And you just use like sheet protectors, so it's pretty easy. The hardest part for me is figuring out what kind of sequin mix I'm gonna use, and so my daughter was criticizing some of the shaker mixes. Like this is one of the ones that was okay. Anyway, so it has the Velcro, and then this is a pocket, so the recipient can then reuse it. And then I put another sheet on the back to finish it off. But the cool thing is you can probably put like your own bag topper on the top, you know. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet on these 2. I just made them and I didn't finish them. This is the one my daughter said was like ugly, or didn't. It was too much. And I agree, not my favorite, but oh well. I'm not going to dump it. I'm going to still use it. So those are the 2s that were unfinished. And then these I actually did put a topper on it. So this is using some Doodlebug paper, and then I made a shaker mix. It's very bright colors because that's what the collection uses. And then I used the Ghost Town embellishments and ephemera and paper and scraps, and I just kind of made my own stuff. This is a KS Crafts die from the die set, and here's the back. And again, it is a Velcro pocket. So I already had made this when I was making some of these other ones, and so I just decided to put it on the top of my envelope. Let me see if I have any other Doodlebug. Oh, I don't. Really? Oh, here, this one. This is Doodlebug too. So this is an old collection, and I wanted to just use up some of my older stuff. So that's why it's not necessarily like the newer things like Ghost Town or Candy Carnival. Anyway, so this is an embellishment I shared the last time around, but now I just made it into a topper piece, and it's on like a rosette with the spider web and so forth. So I don't know how much I really love it, but it's okay. Okay, and then this one, these are all using the, I think it's called Spooky Nights collection by Simple Stories, which I recently purchased. I really like this collection. It's super cute. But the colors are more muted. It's not as bright as Doodlebug, but I still like the artwork. So here's one of the banners I made, and then here's the sequin mix that I did, and again it's a pocket, and that's the paper from the collection. This is a different paper, but I just decided to use that because I felt it matched. And then I did this one. I just tried to use up a lot of the ephemera that was left over from all the other projects I did, and I will share the other projects in another video. But anyway, here's a topper. Here's the paper line. Here's the sequins mix. And here's the back. It's like the haunted. Since it had the haunted houses, I put the haunted house here. And then this is the same collection. I think this paper is super cute, so I decided to use that. And then here's the paper I used, and the ephemera, and then here's the shaker mix, and then I interchanged it with the candy corn. So this one has the other one on the back, see? Because I didn't want it to be too matchy. So this one is actually a word that was a ephemera from the pack. And I just decided to try to stitch it because I think it's Tony from Craft Purge. I saw her do that, and I thought it was kind of neat, and then you don't have to use glue. So I just did it, and it actually worked out. But I couldn't do it on the other ones because the other ones I did use glue already. So maybe next time before I actually glue it, I'll try and stitch it instead. And then this is that new punch I got from Alicia. which is like a medallion, kind of like a blue ribbon kind of looking one. And then this is from the collection, and then I used the candy corn stuff, and look, it has the cute candy corn there. And then here's the back. Okay, so that's all the shaker envelopes I made, just mainly to package up all the embellishments that I've been making. Hopefully they'll fit in there, but who knows, because they're kind of dimensional. And then I also wanted to share with you in this video some of the other ones that I made. So these are the other two bag toppers that I didn't use. This is a die from a new die set that I just got. I think it's called from Trinity Stamps, and it was a pumpkin coffee mug, and it's super cute, and I did cut it out, so I will try to share that in an upcoming video. But this is the ghost, like the steam coming out of the coffee, and I didn't use it, so I decided to add it here with the word ghoul and some like scraps. And then this one, because I used candy, I used the word candy. This is an old die. Oh gosh, I want to say it's Impression Obsession. Can't remember the company, it's so old. But it was actually like a charm kind where it has like, or a tag where it had a hole, and I just snipped it off on the top. I thought that came out kind of cute. And then all of these are all bag toppers as well. This is just the extra piece that I had, so I just put it together because I had it sitting there. But this is actually what the bag topper will look like. So, well, that's the back inside, but it goes over your piece like that. So this could actually, I was testing it, it could actually go over like this, and it'd still work. See? And then you just go like that. But anyway, so that person, whoever gets it, or if I end up using it, that's how you use it. You stick your bag inside here, and then you have a topper. So I did several of the Boo. This is a KS Craft die. And I thought you could also embellish it with like some ephemera, like with it. I don't know. I didn't decide yet, but I just wanted to cut these out and show you. So I just, one that was just plain with the holographic paper. This one I added the Simple Stories paper behind it. And then these are just, oh no, this is another plain one. And then these are just like the extras that I had. So I can use these on other sentiments. And then this is a My Creative Time die. It's really cute. It's a pumpkin bag topper. And so you can actually, there's another piece where you can just make the pumpkin. You don't have to make it a bag topper. But I wanted to make bag toppers. So it actually has a nose piece, but I don't like the nose. So I just didn't, once I didn't put the nose, I liked it a lot better. So I made these using Doodlebug paper, and then this one too. But this one I made it pink, and I made them look more surprised. So cute. I think they came out cute. I like pink. I like to incorporate pink and other bright colors with Halloween. Okay, so that is my project share for today. I have so many videos to film, so I'm hoping that I can film it before the sun goes down. so wish me luck. I do have my cutesy crafty, what is it called? Quickie Cutesy Halloween embellishment swap. Both of mine came in from my swap partners, so I want to do that video, and I also have to do more embellishments and all that stuff. So be on the lookout. I will be sharing a lot of stuff soon, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.